Hi guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about glycemic index and how it can help you when you've got an important exam. So we often talk to our patients with diabetes and help them to sort of look for those foods that are low GI. So glycemic index is a measure of how quickly the sugars are broken down and how it might increase and affect your blood glucose. So if we consider that pure glucose is a glycemic index of 100, okay, things that are high in GI are going to be things that really raise your blood sugar very quickly, and so that can often mean that you haven't got a stable level and can make patients feel unwell. So we often advise patients to have a higher proportion of low and medium GI foods. So high GI foods, things that have lots of sugar, sugary drinks, white bread, potatoes, white rice, and then there's the odd weird fruit like watermelon, which is high in glycemic index. Low and medium GI foods, so most fruits and vegetables, pulses, so things like dal, lentils, those kinds of things, whole grain foods, things like porridge, oats, those kinds of things. Okay, so how can that be helpful for you when you've got an important exam? Well, if you've got an exam and it's in the morning, what you want to do is you want to have a good breakfast with low and some medium GI foods in it, and this is going to keep you fuller for longer so you don't get hungry and then you get distracted. But equally, it's not going to suddenly give you a peak of blood sugar and then a drop, and you're going to feel suddenly sleepy in the middle of your exam. You don't want to feel hungry. You equally don't want to be too full and feel really, really sleepy. So, something low GI. So I'm going to show you an example of a really simple, quick recipe that you might find helpful before an exam. So overnight oats. Okay, so here's a video I shot yesterday and this morning, just showing you a really simple recipe. Really, really simple. All you need is some oats. I'm making a bit extra because my kids are going to have these for breakfast. A couple of spoons of Greek yogurt. Cover the oats with milk, mix it in. All of those oats will get soaked up by the morning. A little bit of honey. Cover and just leave it in the fridge overnight. Okay, so you can see now these are the oats overnight. You can see that milk soaked up, they've sort of doubled in size. So I'm just going to put the oats to one side now. And I've got some big chunks of mango here to top. They're too big, so I'm just going to chop them up small. And that's it. So I'm just going to top it up with mango. And the last step, eat it and enjoy. Hope you found this helpful. Do revise glycemic index, because it's going to help you in any questions to do with nutrition in relation to diabetic patients. Okay, hope that's helpful. All the best with your exams. I know a lot of you have got AKT coming up, and some of you have got other exams, starting to prepare for your MSRA. But whatever exam you're going to be preparing for, I hope this is helpful. Thanks very much, and I'll see you soon.